In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscripts and superscripts to in Excel. These formatting tools are perfect when you need exponents like x squared, scientific notation, or chemical formulas where parts of the text sit slightly above or below the baseline. Excel supports this through simple formatting, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can use it right away. Start by locating the cell that contains the text or numbers you want to format. If you haven't entered the content yet, go ahead and type it in first so you can see the change as soon as we apply it. Now, right-click that cell to open the context menu and choose Format Cells. If you prefer a shortcut, you can open the same window with Ctrl+1 on Windows or Command+1 on a Mac. Either way, you'll land in the Format Cells dialog. Next, switch to the Font tab at the top of that window. This is where Excel keeps all the text appearance options. Take a moment to look around so you know what's available. Font, style, size, color, and, most importantly for us, the Effects section. In the Effects section, you'll see checkboxes for Superscript and Subscript. Superscript raises the selected text above the baseline, which is great for exponents or ordinal indicators. Subscript lowers the text below the baseline, which is ideal for things like chemical formulas or footnote markers. Choose the option that fits what you need, then click OK to apply it. If you applied the setting while simply selecting the cell, the entire cell's content will adopt that effect. That's perfect when everything in the cell should be lifted or lowered. If you only want part of the text formatted, double-click the cell to enter edit mode, highlight just the characters you want, then right-click, select Format Cells, go back to the Font tab, and pick Superscript or Subscript before confirming with OK. That way, only the highlighted portion is affected while the rest stays normal. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. If the result looks cramped, slightly increase the font size of the base text to improve readability. If you change your mind, you can remove the effect anytime by reopening Format Cells, returning to the Font tab, and unchecking the box. And remember, you typically choose one effect at a time, Superscript for raised text or Subscript for lowered text. That's all there is to it. With just a right-click, a visit to Format Cells, and a quick selection on the Font tab, you can add clean, professional subscripts and superscripts to your Excel sheets.